This is the 14th tutorial in the series of Final Cut Pro Beginner's Lessons. This tutorial will give you a taste of keyframing. That's how you create animated effects in Final Cut Pro. So let's get right into it. Drag the object you want to animate above a background clip. The object needs to have a transparent background itself. So click the eye above for a video on this, and that's the ultimate accessory for Final Cut. And this is a preview of what we're about to do. You can use this F16 image if you want to work along with this. The link is also in the description below. Let's move the playhead to the beginning of the clip in the timeline. Right-click in the viewer and select Transform. Now resize the object to suit the background by selecting a corner dot and dragging in. Never use the side or bottom dots. Reduce the screen size view so that you can see outside the viewing area. 50% should be fine. Drag the resized object off screen to the right. In the top left corner of the viewer, there are 3 squares in a horizontal pattern. The center square has a diamond in it with a plus at the center. Click that diamond. By doing this, you've added a keyframe. Move the playhead to the right. Drag the object off screen to the left, and automatically a new keyframe is added at that end point. There's a red line that's appeared to show you the path of the F16, and that's it. Now play the clip by pressing the spacebar. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell.